In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Tableau Public for free. Whether you're a student, a data enthusiast, or someone who wants to dive into the world of data visualization, Tableau Public is a great tool to start with. It's completely free and fairly straightforward to install. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open your preferred internet browser. In the search bar, type Tableau Public and look for the official website. Alternatively, you can directly go to publictableau.com. This is where you'll find the resources you need to get started with Tableau Public. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Create drop-down menu. This is where all the magic happens. Click on it and you'll see an option that says Download Tableau Desktop Public Edition. Go ahead and click on that. Next, you'll be directed to a registration page. Here, you'll need to fill out a simple form with your details. Enter your information as required. This registration is necessary to gain access to their download link. After you've filled out those fields, hit the button that allows you to download the application. It should say something like Download the app. Now let's move to the download process. Once you've initiated the download, patiently wait for the installation file to complete downloading. You'll find it in your downloads folder, or it will be directly accessible from your browser's download bar, depending on your browser settings. Locate this execution file and click on it to begin the installation process. The installation wizard will take it over from here. To proceed, you need to accept the terms of the license agreement. Tick the checkbox to agree to the conditions stated, which is standard procedure for software installations. You'll also notice an optional checkbox that lets you decide whether or not to send usage data to Tableau. It's entirely up to you to check this box depending on your privacy preferences. With those selections made, click the button that says Install. This action will kick off the installation process and it should only take a few moments. Once this installation wraps up, the application will automatically launch on your computer. It's as simple as that. Congratulations, you now have Tableau Public installed and ready to go. You can start exploring all the features it has to offer for your data visualization projects. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy visualizing.